Welcome to Ordering Additional Services. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add additional services to an existing order without having to create a brand new order. This helps keep all of your invoices, images, and property details organized in one convenient place. Start on your dashboard. Click Edit Property. Scroll to the bottom and under Order, Additional Products/Services, click Order. This will open your shopping cart, where you can select the additional service you'd like to add to your order. In this example, we're adding aerial photography. Simply click Aerial Photos to choose the aerial photography service for your order. Select your preferred photographer. Be sure to not select a photographer outside the travel radius. You can select one of the preferred appointment times shown, or if you'd like to see additional dates and times, simply click No. Show me the calendar. Choose from the available dates and times to find the appointment that works best for your schedule. Add project details. Enter any helpful entry instructions, directions, or other important information for your appointment. Enter your payment information to finish scheduling your services. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our helpful tutorials by visiting pictureperfectllc.com/howto. We're always adding new videos to help make your experience with Picture Perfect even easier.